Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students. Today I will give here memory drawing rainy season. So first of all, draw a page border. After that, write here topic name memory drawing in bracket, write rainy season. So how figure are standing? Only outline I am showing here first. Like this. Outline draw first. Same this side also. Circle. Two lines. After that, this side hand. Roughly I am drawing this. You also draw roughly like this first. After that, do proper. Means here eyes, ear, eyes, nose, mouth, hairs, like this. After that, here shirt collar, shoulder, this hand, in this hand, like this only show. After that, this hand, like this. After that, here downside, leg, like this. After that, when rainy season is there, that time pant fold here upside, like this. After that, this pant line show, like this. After the downside here, like this. Put. Okay, understood? After that, here in this hand, I will show you one umbrella here, like this. Two lines draw. First draw lightly. Okay, after that, here one line draw here, like this. This line downside, sorry, this line left side and right side same to same size. After that, here draw like this semicircle. Okay, after that, here this line coming upside here, outside here. After that, like this line draw. After that, here curve line. This umbrella ready. Okay, understood? Same this figure draw here. Same here I am showing here. Again collar, shoulder, ear, nose, eyebrow, eyes, mouth. After that, hairs, like this. Okay, after that, this hand here, like this show. After that, this hand here, finger, like this. Okay, after that, again here downside leg, again this pant fold side here. After that, show pant. After that, downside here, foot, like this. Okay, again after that, show here umbrella. Again two line draw here, lightly. Okay, again here, like this line. This line left side and right side same to same size, equal size. After that, here like this same circle. Again this line upside here. Again here like this curve line draw. After that, here curve line. This umbrella also over. Okay, this figure over. After that, back side here line draw like this. This line means what? Ground, and this line upside here sky. Okay, if you want to draw here tree, you can draw tree also, like this tree. If you want to draw here house, you can draw house also, like this house. Okay, after that, here like this line show. Okay, this house where on this ground, not in the sky. Okay, only this upside going sky, and this base, this house base ground side. Okay, this memory drawing here complete. Now use here any color and color it. This ground give brown color or light green color, and this sky color light blue. After that this figure as you wish. Okay, this drawing here complete. So you also draw your drawing notebook. If any difficulties there, then you call me. Thank you.